Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. If you want the most gorgeous blanket you have ever seen, then you need to get this one from NIFTYLOOM.
This blanket literally took my breath away when I unwrapped it. I could not believe how gorgeous it is. I love that it comes gift wrapped like this, so it makes such a perfect gift to give as a wedding present, housewarming, or even just something to say, I love you. This blanket will wow whoever you give it to, even if it's just yourself. It is so incredibly vibrant and beautiful with all of this gorgeous floral and butterflies and these hummingbirds. And the best part about this blanket is that it is reversible, and the other side is just as, if not more beautiful than the top. It is this vibrant blue color with the same print, but everything is just reversed into a different color scheme. And I am completely obsessed with it. It is 100% cotton, so it is so soft and light and such an amazing feeling on your skin. I am completely obsessed with this blanket. I can't stop talking about it.
Whether you gift it to yourself or a friend, anyone who gets this blanket is going to be so happy with it. I think it is so breathtakingly beautiful. I couldn't be more happy with it, and that's my point of view.